Whew, I'm a little winded after pushing the vehicle in, but let's, oh man, it's locked. Dang. How many of y'all have ever used your house key to open up your box, or go to use your box key to open up your house? It happens to me all the time. Now, that being said, I'm about to help my buddy out. He has a CVT right there. I'm gonna put it on the table and get it torn apart. I'm bored, ain't got much to do, so I might as well occupy myself with something. Had a good 2 days, and now third day in the dumps. So let's get it done. So I'll probably talk to y'all throughout this process, just to make things a little bit interesting. I know I'm far away right now, but the angle's kind of weird. It'd be nice if I had a drone. That'd be so cool. Have a drone follow me throughout the shop. But converter, and then down onto the table. Get this out the way. A little bit closer to y'all. And then I will use electric tools to tear it down. We'll see how far we could get with the electric tools to tearing it down. Use Matco stuff. Whew. Yeah, I am winded from that. So, got that. Some guantes. Got me some gloves. I hate pushing cars in, man. It sucks. Man. He didn't even want me to help him out. He didn't want me to help him rebuild this. I don't know why. He has a lot of work though. Let's see if I'll make a mess with this. Sometimes it happens, sometimes it doesn't. I know there's got to be a bunch of fluid in the pan right now. Oh no, it's not that much. Oh, because the torque converter drained out. Yeah. And long bolt. Oh. And filter, these bolts, that one, oh, that one, that one. Ah! Now I'm trying not to get in this shot. Oh no, I'm missing a socket. There we go. Oh God. This is always messy. Y'all like how I remember every bolt that has to come off, the exact placement of them? This goes to show how many of these I've actually performed. Too many. So now, dang, gotta hit these 14s. Look at him, he's over there mad. I can't even show y'all. Yeah, I told you. Oh. He just came and looked at me, gave me a weird look. Oop. Ah. Go. Boom.com. Boom.com. I am the bomb.com. Somewhere. All right, where are we at now? I need a 12 millimeter. Now, we will see if he can actually put it back together after I do this. Y'all think he's gonna be able to put it back together? I don't make it so hard. I mean, I put the bolts everywhere that they need to go. All about being organized when, shit. When doing these rebuilds. So here's one. Why did they do this? Never had this rebuild set last. Oh my God. Your boy Fluff was about to get really, really upset. Actually, I don't want it over there. It's hard when it's under the bracket. The back bracketry. Boom. Bye-bye wing. Actually, I can take these bolts out now. Man. I like to give y'all a different angle. Angler of the dangler. Y'all know what I mean? Oh, wrong one. Wrong ones go over here. Yeah. Like that. These ones go right there. Boy, my stomach getting wet. The coolant. Get these all the way seated. Get these dowel pins treated up. Makes life a little bit easier. Take this bow body off the table. Put it down below. Torque converter, put it in a bucket. And then we're going to bring the sub-assembly out. Off. Raise them. Raise them. Raise them and praise them. What you know about that? Raise them and praise them. Man, these lifts take forever. Sorry about the loud noise.
Many hours later.
No, I'm not using the mallet.
No?
We got new ways.
Oh, really? You stick it in? Okay, yeah. That works too. I think you got us caught on the other side, kind of like that.
Yeah.
Chris uses a slide hammer right there.
Yeah, you can.
You want an easier way? I hit the hammer. I hit it.
Oh yeah, yeah.
On the other side.
But
That works too.
it does work. Got it up and out. Ew. For the teardown. Y'all believe this is a halfway point? I work out. LMFAO, y'all know about that? No? Is that too corny? Let's save this bearing. Gotta save this bearing. Now, we will do this. It'll keep draining. Oh, this oily. Bring it around like that. Give y'all better. It's all about the views on YouTube, right? I'm not talking about views. I'm talking about what y'all can see. Oh man. The thing about being a stubby, not being long enough. Giggity. Oh, lost a nut in the bolt. And these are not, your eyes are not playing tricks on y'all, guys. I am definitely using a 3/8 Infinium 16 volt cordless impact. Not sure if Snappy can do the same thing, but all I know is this thing packs a punch. Now there's a hidden bolt over here that I gotta get. Spray lube. Where's my other dowel pin? Oh, it's over here. Oh, yep, good. All right, now see about getting this off. I got everything right, yes. And this one I might need a little bit of assistance. Get at him. Get at him. Come on. Yeah, it's not going. It's not going. Now I could probably get this light hammer. Hit it right there. Yeah. Oh. There we go. Now we are down. We're in business. Oh God, this is dirty. Oh Lord. Oh. Reduction gear, differential. Oh. Torn gloves. Hold on, guys. Okay, glove change completed. And I grabbed another specialty tool. Y'all will see here in a second. And then my boy might have to watch this video to know where everything goes. I don't know when the last time he rebuilt one. Special tool right here. Come on. Oh, you booger. You moved on me. There we go. Oh, you don't want him. Huh? Well, I didn't ask. Can we come up? No. You still don't want him? What is going on? Why? Yes, I have the right tools. Oh. Now what have we got here? I don't know why. It just didn't want to come up. What? How did it fall back in? Oh, did it? It's in there crooked. Alright. Set this one off to the side. Make sure you get this little rust washer. Looking for abnormal wears and tears also. If I don't see any, I think we're all right. 12s. Satisfaction. Satisfaction. Oh, this off. Damn, now I gotta use the restroom? What the hell? That's satisfaction when silicone comes off in a whole chunk. Oh, I forgot to do something. That's okay, I guess. Stand her up. 10 mil. Get this filter out. Gotta get that 12. Yeah, I do have a hole. Damn. This 12 for the pump. That's separate. Now, this part, I don't know if the electric can take it off. This one's a little taut. Oh, got it. Got it. Got it. Oh. Should they make a mess? Now cleaning. That's the fun part. Oh. Look at all this fluid.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon. Looking down on the haters that I've been through. Told them I'll see you later, yeah, big truth. I keep a real good pace. Built a big house, damn, look at that place. Up in my mind, cause that's my space. House so big, full of positive things. And I can't be shook, cause I ain't no rook, man, I wrote the book. Now I teach how to cook them beats like, look, making these look good. I just want trophies, that's with a whole goal if you know me. Gotta go record on the wall, look closely. Got that record all alone like lonely. I'm just sick of waiting cause I feel it's frustrating when I always put the hours in. But ain't nobody wanna recognize independence, it threatens their continent. So I chase that bag, trophies are dope but I'd rather have cash. Sitting in the bank cause I paid my tax. Living my life, my way, my path, I go. Move fast, anyone who ain't hitting full gas. Who that, choose that, hard work, that wins, true facts. I'ma go big, grind hard, throw a few jabs. Big hook next to the dome, knock her straight back. Down to the floor, anyone in my way snacked. I don't take bad thoughts, no, I remove that. My team got good minds, I can prove that.
I got these dreams that I've been chasing. I got some things I've been craving. No one can stop me from this craving.
Okay guys, well, thank y'all for watching. I appreciate it. I didn't think y'all were gonna stick around this long just to watch me clean. Yeah, I'll try to scrape all this off my hand, but I'll just do it off camera. You know what I mean? You know, I don't want to get judged too much. You know what I mean? But thank y'all for watching me help homeboy out. I think I did my good deed for the day. So, like I said, I'm going to finish cleaning all that silicone off camera. Like I said, I ain't trying to do this too much. So if y'all can please do me a big favor. Big favor. Check these videos out. Subscribe right there. Merch store. Become a FMFAM member.
I'm moving no mercy, whatever I get I'm deserving. I put in the work in, I feel like I'm never done working. I always stay thirsty, cause it keeps me alive when I'm learning.
I got these dreams that I've been chasing.